Hey folks, what's up? Mike here. Some of you might know me from inside the Power Lead System group, but I wanted to post this video up to show you how you can post in Facebook groups and assign any image that you want to your link. Okay, there is already a training video in the back office, and I did promise when that was done that I'd show you how I did it as well. But unfortunately, Facebook, as they do, changed things around a little bit, and they actually stopped this method being used. I think at the time it was due to fake news, because people were taking permalinks, which is what you're going to be using, permalinks from. Let's get rid of that. People were taking permalinks from news items and actually adding their own images to it, so and creating fake news. Facebook actually disabled this method, but it's back. Okay, so that's really cool. So I thought I'd just upload this video. I'm going to try and put it in the files section, and the reason for it is that the one that Karen did, which is absolutely fantastic, is in the back office. Listed in the training section, and but for that one you have to be able to go into the code, okay, into the source code. Now if you're uncomfortable with that, or if you're a lead lightning member, then it's not really going to be much help to you. Okay, it's perfect and works brilliantly if you're a Power Lead System member or a Power Lead System customer. That's absolutely fine, and if you want to go into the source code. But if you're a lead lightning member, you can't. So this one will work for you. Okay, so there's a few moving parts, so just watch closely what I do. It might take you a couple of times to get it absolutely right, but it's really, really easy. Once you've got this down, okay, you'll be able to post in 15, 20 or 30 groups within the space of 10 minutes. Okay, it's going to save you a ton of time. Okay, now I'm not saying that posting in Facebook groups is the way to go. It is a method that you can use, and it does work, but it's not as simple as just picking up your link and dropping it into the groups. Okay, you've got to do a little bit of work. You've got to work out what people are going to react to, respond to. Okay, so but I'm not going to go into that in this video. Okay, so a quick sip of water, and we'll be on our way. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is a Facebook page. Okay, so which is a little bit different to your Facebook profile, which is your profile is your personal Facebook page where you post all your silly pictures and jokes and keep in touch with friends and family and things like that. Your Facebook page used to be known as a business page or a fan page, but it's just a page now. Okay, so get yourself a Facebook page. It's really easy if you haven't got one. So I'm just going to head on over to my Facebook page. Okay, so if I just click on that arrow there, that's going to take me to my Facebook page. Excuse me, just had a biscuit. You didn't really need to know that, but there you go. Right, okay, I'm on my Facebook page now. Now, on your page, you can post. There's two ways of posting. You can post as yourself, which is your personal self, or you can post as your page. Okay, and for the example that I'm doing, I'm going to show you now. You're going to be posting as your page. Now, I think there are different ways of setting up your page, but the way I've done it, I can post as both. Okay, so when I want to make a post that I want to share in the groups, I always post as my page. So I'll come over here where it says create post, and you got this little icon here, a little image of yourself or whatever your profile image is, and a little black pointing down arrow. So you just click on that. Sometimes it takes one or two clicks, and there you'll see you can post as you or as your page. Okay, so you click on your whatever your page is called, and it'll open this box here. Now you click in there, and then you're going to post your link. Now you've got to go and get your link. This will work with any link, so whether it's a link to a blog, a link to website, whether it's a link to your Facebook page, your Twitter profile, whether it's LinkedIn, absolutely, an affiliate link, whatever it is, this will work for that. So just go and grab your link. If you've got a lot of links that you use frequently, what you really want to be doing is storing them or saving them somewhere that you can get really quick access to. So either a Word doc or Notepad or something similar. Okay, I'll use Notepad. And I just find it's just really quick and easy, and I'll just post them all in there. But I'm not going to show you a list of my links right now, but I'm going to go to a link that I'm going to use. Okay, so let's just find Facebook group post. I'm going to use one of my subdomains, which is for, let's have a look, it's for the free lead system. See if I can see that here. So just copy the link. Go back over to where you're going to make your post, because you're going to post it on your page first of all, and just post it in there. Paste that link in there. Now it's going to grab an image that's related to that website or that funnel, or related to that URL. It might be one that you want to use. If it is, great. If it's not, then just this is what this video is all about. So. Okay, so that's the image it's grabbed here. I don't want to use that image. I want to use an image that I want, not what they choose. So all you need to do is just go below the image here, and you'll have two little thumbnails at the moment. You can create as many thumbnails as long as you like, but you've got two here at the moment. So you don't want that one, but you want to add your own. So you go into this little box and click on where it says choose a file to upload. So the plus button means you're going to add something. Okay, makes sense? I hope so. So you click on that, and it's going to open your desktop and your files and documents and everything else. Okay, so you're going to find an image that you want to use, and I'm going to use this one. Okay, so click on that. Double click it and it'll just upload it, because that's how it works. Okay, it's like magic. Okay, so now you've got two images. You've got the original one here, which is down there on that thumbnail, or you've got this one here that you've just uploaded, which is down here on this thumbnail. Okay, so this is the one you want to use. So you go back there. So you want to get rid of the ones that you don't want to use. So you just come over here. Okay, now just a quick side note here, you can add as many thumbnails along here as you want, but you're only going to be using one, so just add the one that you want to use. Okay, so you come up here, so when you've got your cursor over this portion of the image, in the top right hand corner of the image there's a little X. So if you click on that, and if you just hover over it, it will say remove. So you click on that, so that's removed that, and it's just left this image in here. Okay, don't worry about how it looks at the moment, because when you publish it or post it, it'll look different. But before you publish it, you want to get rid of this link. Okay, because you don't want anything up here for now. And then you're going to publish it. Just give it a few seconds. I'll have a sip of water. And here we go. Okay. Just wait for your page to load, and then you scroll down, and there you go. Okay, so that's the image. Did I say that it would also make this image clickable? So that's posted on your page for now, but if you click that, let's see where it goes. There you go. It goes through to one of my free lead system funnels. Okay, and that's what you want. So wherever you want people to go, that image will take them there. Okay, so all you need to do now is click on here where it says just now, just below your name, whatever it says there, that's your page. So whatever your page is called, you want to click just below there. If you leave it for a few moments, it will actually say give you a time there. Okay, so you just click on that, and then you're going to come up to your search bar up here, and you're going to do a left click in your search bar. And what that's going to do is that's going to highlight your permalink. Okay, and then once you've done that, you're then going to do a right click to copy it. So you do a left click, that will highlight this link here. It's what's called a permalink, and you do a right click and copy. Okay, now that's copied to your pasteboard, your clipboard, or whatever you want to call it. You don't have to access your pasteboard or your clipboard. It's just there. You can access it if you wanted to, but there's no need to. Okay, so that's all you need to do. Okay, that's posted on your Facebook page now. So if anyone is on your Facebook page having a look around, they'll see this. They might click it, and you might get a lead from it. But the purpose of this is to post in your group. So you're going to come over to your group. So if you click on home, that will take you through to your news feed. And then you should have a list of groups that you've got shortcuts to. Okay, so choose the groups that you're going to post to. I'm going to post on that one just for now, just for this example. Let's let that load. Okay, so it's now saying write a post. Oh, got that lovely little beach ball. So here we go. So you're going to post or paste that link that you had earlier that you copied from your search bar on your page. Okay, so you're going to post that link, and then you're going to say a few words down here. Now I've got a little bit of text that I'm going to use. If I can find my cursor. Okay, so I'm just going to post. You can say whatever you want. Okay, you can ask them to click the image. You can ask them to click your link, which I've put in here. You can ask them to comment or send you a private message to get more information. You do whatever you want. Okay, but just to know that this link is clickable. But before you post that, if you scroll down, you can see you can post it. Before you post that, you want to get rid of this. Oh, sorry, let me backtrack. Before you post it, you want to copy all of this and then get rid of that link. Okay, so you get rid of that link because it just looks scruffy, it doesn't look very nice, and then you post it. And you sit here with fingers crossed, hoping that it works. And bingo, there you go. So that's what you've posted here. Okay. Yep, so that's your links, and if you just click on there to see where it goes right to your funnel, to your lead capture page, or wherever it is you want to send them. Okay, I always like your own posts, just gives you a bit of a heads up on other people because they don't like their own posts. And then you go into another group. And now remember, you copied that whole link with all that text and everything else. So all you need to do now is click, delete that link, and post. There you go. Let's post it again. Let's find another one to post in. Okay, let's try this one. So get rid of that link and then post. Okay, so there you go. That's how you post, so what you're doing, you're sharing a link, so that gives your post on your page a lot of credence because it shows that it's been shared a lot, and also it shows up. You're just flying through this, and I've just done 3 posts in the space of a couple of minutes, and I'm just really going slow there. Okay, so that's basically how you can assign absolutely any image you want to your link. Okay, and how you can actually start posting in Facebook groups at a little bit quicker rate as well. So hopefully that's been useful for you, yeah, hopefully that will help you out, especially your Lead Lightning members that are having trouble because you can't access the code. So I'm going to upload, well, by the time you're watching this, it's already uploaded to the Power Lead System web Facebook page in the Facebook group. So yeah, okay, see you in the group. Thanks for watching.